anti-aging. Now everywhere you turn, they are anti-aging products. Now what does these products do for your skin? These products contain ingredients that can help to either get rid of wrinkles or prevent wrinkles or smooth the skin, clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Now years ago, most people turned to retinol for anti-aging moisturizer. Today there are such a wide variety of other ingredients that you can use on the skin to prevent aging or get rid of wrinkles. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to make a DIY facial moisturizer, a DIY anti-aging moisturizer. Now this is not your regular moisturizer, because this moisturizer is going to help to clear hyperpigmentation, but tighten and firm, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and best of all, boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. So if you're interested to see how I made this moisturizer, or if you're out there and you're looking for clear skin, you're looking for brighter skin, and you want to just age in reverse, then you might need to try this moisturizer. Now all the ingredients that I'm using in this is readily available to you, and I'm going to put a little handbag here where you can find some of the products that we're using in this moisturizer. And all the products that we use in this moisturizer can also be used on the skin as standalone. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. But before we enter the kitchen, I'm asking you all, please guys, watch the video to the end and go ahead and leave a comment and also share a thumbs up. So first ingredient is going to be potato, and potato contains starch. Now this starch, the potato, can help to tighten and firm the skin. So what we're going to do, we are going to extract the starch from the potato. So now we are going to peel. Let's just peel the potato. Now potato contains an ingredient also known as catecholase, which help to tighten and firm the skin, but also help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now this is Irish potato, depending on where you live. Some people tend to call this white potato. Now potato is widely used all over the world for cooking. I personally like a good mashed potato, but what you might not be aware of is that potato is also used in skincare. Khichi Beauty skincare also contains potato starch, since it helps to clear hyperpigmentation and boosts collagen and elastin. I'm going to put a link right here, and that is our anti-aging Supreme Age Renewal set that contains potato. So now that we peeled the potato, you can choose to grate the potato, and that's an easy way to extract the starch, or you can choose to blend. Today I'm just gonna grate the potato. Now for this recipe, we recommend only white potato. We do not recommend sweet potato. So let's just grate the potato, and we're just going to speed this up a bit. So now that we finish grating the potato, let's extract it to our small bowl. And there it is, a freshly grated potato. What we're going to do next, we're going to extract the potato juice. You can choose to use a cheesecloth or a strainer. I'm going to use a strainer today. So I'm just going to put it in like this, which is pretty easy. And I'm just adding all of it. And then I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to squeeze it out. Just like that. Just press on it. Press. This is going to get all the juice from the potato. Do not add any water to it. All we need is a fresh potato juice. Now once that is done, here we have the potato juice, and we're going to set this aside for it to settle so that we could extract the starch. We're going to reach for a small bowl, and we are going to reach for some aloe vera gel. And today I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and you can use any type of aloe vera gel that you want. However, if you're interested in these are from the Khichi Beauty skincare collection, and you can click on the handbag on your screen and it's going to take you to where you can get these. And now 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and we're just going to blend it well. We're making an anti-aging skin firming moisturizer. So we're mixing and we're mixing well. Now once that is done, what we're going to do, we are going to reach for some oil. And we're going to use a carrier oil. And a carrier oil is a oil that you can blend with other oils to dilute them. So my first carrier oil is going to be some grapeseed oil. And I love using this on my skin because it's such a light oil. And it has become very, very popular because it's good to use all over your body and also on your face, and anyone can use it. Whether you have acne prone skin, dry skin, coming, it doesn't matter, you can use it and make the perfect base for your DIY. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Next, I'm going to reach for some papaya seed oil, and we're using the papaya seed oil because this oil is rich in anti-aging properties such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It's a perfect anti-aging oil that you can mix with your moisturizer, or you can use it as a standalone. And also, it's not a heavy oil. It's a light oil that will not clog the pores. So, oopsie, I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. And now we're going to blend this together. We're mixing aloe vera gel, grapeseed oil, and papaya seed oil. And we are mixing well. We're making an anti-aging DIY skin firming moisturizer. Mix and mix well. Now, once this is done, guys, we're going to reach for some vitamin E oil. And vitamin E oil is an oil that you're going to find in most of your skincare products because it helps to keep bacteria out of your skincare products, but it also helps to hydrate the skin. I'm using a few drops of the vitamin E oil. Use your discretion, 2 to 4 drops depending on your IU. This is 35,000 IU, so it's very strong. And now, guys, we're going to mix this in. And we are going to mix well aloe vera gel, grapeseed oil, papaya seed oil, and vitamin E oil. Now for this recipe, use any 2 or any 3 of your favorite oils. And now we're going to put this aside, and we're going to reach back for our potato juice. We're only using the starch from the potato. Now to see the starch, I'm going to tilt this. And there you can see the starch in the bottom. That is how you get your potato starch. So I'm going to slowly pour off the top, which is just the water. Now, if you want to make more of this potato starch, you got to double up on the amount of potato you use. I just make this amount for 1 application, which is going to give me around about a teaspoon of the potato starch. So now, let's just scoop this down, and you can see, guys, that I have to be like scraping it. This is how the potato starch is. And believe it or not, you can actually pour this out on something and let it dry, and that's how you can preserve this. Okay, so 1 teaspoon is what we're looking for. Let's reach back for our aloe vera mixture. And yes, you got to work fast with the potato starch, and let's pour it and see if we get the 1 teaspoon, a little over a teaspoon, but that's good. Scoop this in, and now that is going to be our ingredients that's going to clear hyperpigmentation, but also going to tighten and firm the skin. And we're going to mix this in, and we're going to mix well, totally blending all the ingredients together. Mix and mix well. Now, once this is done, guys, this is our anti-aging skin firming moisturizer. Now, so for this moisturizer, keep it in the refrigerator and keep it for 7 days. To use this moisturizer, I like to set it aside overnight or so just for the ingredients to infuse in the mixture. And let me pour this in a small jar. And once we pour it in the jar, we are going to set it aside to infuse. If you have fresh aloe vera, you can use it in this also. Just the aloe vera gel, you just blend it. And here it is. our potato anti-aging DIY facial moisturizer that's going to help to tighten and firm, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Remember, store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.